Looking at the market rundown heading into Thursday, February 2nd. So the S&P 500 defending the middle Bollinger Band for the third day in a row, and we've been defending this middle Bollinger Band in all of 2017. So we're going to be looking at the low of this consolidation. If that were to break 2267, that would be a bearish indication as we would break this clear higher low pattern ever since the year started. But as of right now, the bulls are holding on enough that we can be looking up to the high of today, 2289, and then the all-time high up at 2301 as resistance levels. So the bulls are definitely still in control. And signal number one that is changing will be losing this middle Bollinger Band daily support, which obviously hasn't happened yet. So the weekly time frame is forming an inside candlestick compared to last week, consolidating that range. And if we don't see a clear break sometime in the next 2 days, we will be looking to next week to break this inside candlestick and give us a break of that tightening range. So bulls in control. IWM saw some follow through with a gap up open today, but could not hold on to those gains. It is still the weakest market, and we have not hit an all-time high since back in early December, where the other names have. So we have resistance at 137.96, a lower high at 137.55, and a lower high at 136.87. Still holding the middle Bollinger Band, or I take that back, that's actually the lower Bollinger Band here that the bulls are holding. So it is propping the price up, and you can see the sideways trading channel. Those Bollinger Bands are extremely tight, so it's going to either require a breakout or a breakdown on high volume to break this sideways channel. Otherwise, we're going to remain in that. You can see it's beginning to widen out a little bit, but look at how we have bounced around here. Rejection, bounce, 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 rejection, bounce, and here we are right in the middle. So these Bollinger Bands are dictating the trading range on IWM. Weekly time frame, indecision doji, inside candlestick as well, showing that tightening range. Normal healthy consolidation, slight downtrend, but pretty much straight across following the breakout. So bulls can't really complain too much about the consolidation that has been going on. It is still favoring the bullish action. QQQ, closest to the all-time high here, 125.92. We got within 30, make that 25 cents. So bulls holding strong, closing fairly close to the high of the day. And the new support to be watching here is the low of this consolidation, 123.85. Middle Bollinger Band, haven't even tested that in 3 weeks. We've been well above it. Bulls showing full control on QQQ. And on the weekly time frame, it is a potential bearish reversal doji, but it's an inside candlestick here as well. That's the theme this week on all these names. All these markets are forming tightening ranges compared to the previous bullish breakout week. So we're going to be watching a lot of these inside candlesticks next week, unless we see a clear break in the next 2 days. But as of right now, bulls in control. S&P 500 middle Bollinger Band is what I'm watching the most. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a fantastic night.